Okay, so gagawin natin po is, yan. Imagine nakahiga na ako. Elbows up, inhale down, exhale up. So pag ganito siya. So working your triceps, down, up. Maintain natin yung, yan, higa pala tayo. Pakita na natin. So maintain natin yung elbows, right? Align sila na shoulder. Tapos bend and up. Okay? So, inhale down, exhale up. So, sa side ng ulo, yung dumbbell, papunta. Okay, so 3 to 5 pounds lang. Working your triceps. So, lahat ng heads ng triceps natin is matotarget natin. So, pakita natin with weights. Ayan. Again, 3 to 5 pounds lang muna. Check natin yung form. Alright. Now, shoulders away from ears as usual. Lift chest, abs brace. So, para stable yung base natin. And then head to your bench. So, inhale down. Exhale up. So, huwag tatama sa face, huwag sa ulo ha. Control, control, control. Pause. Exhale up. Okay? Slow, slow, slow. Quick. Inhale down. Exhale up. So, control, focus. Alright. So, kailangan natin to para ma-work na maayos yung triceps natin. Hindi siya lalaki, magbibuild ng muscles. Ipe-prevent niya yung skin natin para mag-sag. Okay? Para wala tayong loose skin. Okay po.